Bring their own bike, don't we? Too bad. Oh well. Bike's clean. There was just out for a day ride at Cobble Creek, Dayborough, Woodford. Woodford, Kilcoy, round the back of Somerset, Wivenhoe, and then on to Fernvale, back road between on the Dayborough Road, Cobble Creek Road. So that's put me in a better mood, getting soaked. Good fun. Anyway guys, I'll keep going. Enjoy. So much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you. I'm stuck in the blue. You value how I'm feeling. How do you have so much time? Been searching for a reason for why you'd love a chick design. Aren't you listening to me now? Screamed all my secrets, why don't you leave then? Ooh. Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you. I'm stuck in the blue. Tell me that I owe you. Don't you need to refuel? The safety when I hold you. You know exactly what to do. Did you fall out of the heavens or crawl up from under? I can't help but wonder. this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you. I'm stuck in the blue.
Well folks, well I'm just here at Kilcoy, just getting coffee. And at the, I think it's called Stormy Cafe, there you go. Stormy Cafe. Got a coffee, got a lab test 3. Happy days. Heading off next to Fernville and grab some lunch in Fernville. It's about an hour and 10 minutes away, and then it'll be back around to Mount Glorious. So that's the riding for today. Dodging the storms. Only got caught once and just outside there, but anyway, enjoy. Stormy's Cafe and heading straight from a Stormy Cafe to that storms around the back of Wivenhoe. So let's get going. Well, as you can see, I got absolutely drenched in. Majorly wet. Just around the back of Somerset. This is Lake Somerset. Right behind me. Hold it up a bit more. Somerset down. Let's go now to Wivenhoe. Let's just get this dry. Into Wivenhoe, and then down to Fernville. So, pretty good riding. Bike's holding up well. Haven't used it for a long run for a while, but there we go.